Did you know that you can get more profit from a single order? In this video, we will show you 6 simple methods to increase the average order value for your online store. Hi everyone, my name is Natalie and you're watching the AliDropship channel, where we show people how to start a dropshipping business and drive it to success. Today we will reveal to you how to increase the profit margin of your store by improving your average order value. What is the average order value? The average order value is how much customers spend on one order. For example, if I got 5 orders in the past week and made $194, the average order value equals $38.80. Improving this metric can increase your profit margin because you save up on a number of expenditures. When someone orders 2 or even 3 items from a store as a single order, you only pay for shipment once. In contrast, if the same person buys the same item separately, you will have to pay for each shipment. You also save on the cost of conversion, which is how much you spend on attracting one customer from advertising. Although you don't actually save on this parameter, you can make it more efficient by convincing each buyer to purchase more. Lastly, you can save on how much you spend on goods. If you dropship from AliExpress, you can find sellers who offer discounts on products if you purchase 2 or more at once. So selling more to one customer in one order is more profitable. By improving your average order value, you can increase the profit margin of your business. Here are 6 ways to do it. Give discounts on larger orders. The easiest way to earn more from each order is to offer a discount for those who buy several products at once. You've seen this many times. Buy 2, get 15% off. Sounds familiar? That's because it's an effective sales tactic. Create and offer product bundles. Bundling is a method when you sell something along with an extra product. It usually goes at a lower cost than if these goods were sold separately, but not necessarily. What's more important is to offer something related to the main item, something buyers may want to add to cart anyway. If your dropshipping store works on AliDropship plugin, you can use our product bundle add-on for that purpose. This tool helps to create beautiful bundles and show them next to the product gallery of each of the products added to the bundle. So, when shoppers browse your products, they will see enticing offers with attractive discounts they can get if they buy more. Find the link to the add-on in the description. Sell what people need in quantities. Another way to increase profit margin by improving the average order value is to sell goods which people mostly buy in numbers. For example, if you decided to order socks online, you probably would not mind buying 2 or 3 pairs at once. Take a look at this. It's a car seat organizer. One can buy either a left or right-handed version, but people often prefer purchasing both. After all, it feels natural to install such organizers near both seats in your car. Offer free shipping for larger orders. Restaurants often use this method. They deliver food for free if the order value exceeds a certain amount. This logic can also be applied to any online store. Offer free shipping to customers who buy more products, and they will start looking for more add-on items to meet your purchase value requirement. The opposite method is to charge for delivery. In the dropshipping business, the shipping cost is often included in the price of a product, so you can say to customers that shipping is free. But if you don't conceal your shipping costs and charge even more than shipping actually costs, you can make more money. However, there are no benefits for buyers, so this method can be effective only if you are enjoying high demand and people will want to order despite the high shipping price. Try cross-selling. You can offer extra products not only before an actual purchase but also after. Cross-selling is a marketing technique when you advertise another product right after a customer buys something. The idea is to offer something much more affordable than the initial purchase to stimulate a fast decision. Although in this case, a site visitor will actually make 2 orders, but you will still save a lot on the cost on conversion because it's the same person who came to your site from your advertising. There is good news for store owners who manage sites powered by AliDropship. This feature can be easily implemented to your site with the help of the Purchase Upsell add-on. This add-on allows you to show another offer immediately after the purchase, motivating customers to buy more right after successful order placement and payment. Check out the links in the description to learn more. Today, I'd like to show you a brand new offer from AliDropship that makes deciding what products to sell and whom to sell much easier. Our AliDropship premium stores are ready-to-go solutions for all prospective business owners. When buying one of our premium stores, you get a precise copy of a successful business with the best products. If you want to boost your marketing and ad spend efforts, you can purchase a marketing package from us and get targeted audience settings in addition to marketing material our team used for the original store's promotion. You can start a business in no time without worrying about inventory or finding a target niche. Click the link in the description box to find the collection of AliDropship's premium stores. In this video, we've explained how to increase profit margin by improving your average order value. In one of our previous videos on this channel, we discussed what are the best and the worst products for dropshipping in general. Watch it to learn how to avoid products not suitable for dropshipping and get only the best ones. If you've enjoyed this video, give it a like. Remember to subscribe to our channel for all the latest advice on dropshipping. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.